Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set your website type as an RSS feed on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update. This process is simple once you know where everything is located, so let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is the place where all your personal settings and account controls are located. After clicking it, you'll see an option called Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select that. This will take you into the main control area for your LinkedIn account. From here, click on Account Preferences. Inside your account preferences, under the Profile Information section, you'll find different details you can manage about your LinkedIn profile. Look for and click on the option called Name, Location, and Industry. This section might feel familiar since it mainly deals with personal professional details, but it's also where you'll begin heading toward your website information. Now, pay close attention to the Contact Info area. In this section, click on Edit Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn allows you to manage your email, phone, and website details. Once you're inside, you'll see the list of websites you've added to your profile. Find the specific website you want to adjust. Next to it, there is an option to choose its website type. This is where the new update comes into play. From the drop-down menu, select RSS feed as the new website type. This feature is useful if you want your connections to easily access updates from your website's RSS feed rather than just treating it as a typical link. Once you've made your selection, don't forget the important final step. Click Save. This will lock in your change so that your LinkedIn profile now shows the selected website as an RSS feed. And that's it. You've successfully updated your website type on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update.